The Titanic 2. It's set to take to the seas in 2016. There are many questions, including, is it safe? But one question you may or may not have asked yourself was, will the second and third class passengers be able to mingle with the first class passengers? We all remember the movie and the story. The shocking answer to that question, which is our number 4 trendy story, is no. Here's the deal, guys. Passengers are going to be given 1920s era costumes. They're going to be included in staterooms. They're going to be in staterooms upon arrival. That's going to have a ticket fee, to help recreate this experience.
It's part of the ticket fee.
Yeah, it's part of the ticket fee, exactly. First class passengers, they can't mingle with second or third class passengers.
They will be able to spend a few days in different quarters, but they'll have to change their outfits.
Yeah, well, fair enough, I suppose. First of all, why would anybody want to buy a ticket to go on the Titanic? It's like...
On the Titanic, too.
Do you have a death wish?
Yeah.
Do you have a death wish? When asked about the cost of the ship, Clive, who's the gentleman behind the project, says, we are going to divulge the cost because I have enough money to pay for it. Cost isn't what it's about. It's about creating a memory of the Titanic. I mean, in fairness, it's always really cool to see the underwater images, the James Cameron stuff of the Titanic, but it would be really freaky to go on. We were talking about the Russian ghost ship the other day. It'd be really freaky to go on a Titanic replica and actually set sail.
Yeah, I just don't think I'm comfortable with that. I'd rather just let the first group of passengers try it out, see how that works out for them, and then maybe I'd think about it. But
by the way,
it's ridiculous. You can't mingle with the second and third class passengers.
Can I just say, when asked about the safety of the Titanic, this gentleman responded, anything will sink if you put a hole in it.